Welcome to the Kangaroo Great Bake Off with me, Mary Berry, and my assistant. Paul Hollywood. Okay, so today is the final, and we will be taking part in a technical challenge with two contestants. What are we making today in the technical challenge, Paul?
We will be making some healthy date energy bites.
They sound wonderful. What do we need?
We need some digestive biscuits. We need some date paste or pureed dates. We need some coconuts.
Now, the coconut is optional if you have an allergy.
You could substitute it with cocoa powder or cinnamon or rolled oats.
Very nice. Okay, so before any cooking activity, you should always wash your hands. Take a palm of soap. Come on, Paul. Make a lather. And we sing our song. Tops and bottoms, in between, scrub them all together, now they're clean, squeaky clean. Okay, again, one more time. Tops and bottoms, in between, scrub them all together, now they're clean, squeaky clean.
Step number 1, you need to take your digestive biscuits and put them in a bowl. You need to crush them into tiny, small pieces. You could also use a spoon to help you. And get your fists in there. You can add your dates. And give it a good mix around, together with your spoon of butter. Together, you can mix it with your fingers. And start pushing it and pressing it into ball-like shapes. Once you have a beautiful ball, you can roll it in a coconut. And that's how you make healthy date energy bites.
Okay, so what we're looking for in this technical challenge is a well-rounded date bite, like so. They should be uniform and they should have an even coating of coconut. Wonderful.
No, Mary, they're not for eating now.
Time starts now.
Okay, let's check on our first contestant, Miss Megan, all the way here from Scotland. How are you doing, Miss Megan?
I'm feeling so nervous. I just really want to win this. I've got a lot of people back home rooting for me. I just really want to win.
It's okay, Megan. Just focus on your time management and get crumbling. What do you think about our crumble?
Crumble is good so far.
Let's check on the kangaroo. Hi, kangaroo. How are you doing? Wow. Look at this. It's pretty confident, hey? Oh, I think I'll have one of those.
Mary, not again. It's time, Mary.
Bring in the contestants. Thank you, Megan. Thank you, kangaroo. Okay, now it's time for the taste test. First of all, we have Megan's. I think they're pretty uniform, nice rounded shape.
Yes.
And what would you say about these?
They're not as round.
No. Should we taste them and see? Nice. and the Kangaroo?
It's okay.
It's okay. Out of 10?
6.
Well, I would give Megan here a good 9. The votes are in. The winner of Kangaroo Kids Great Bake Off is Miss Megan!